Welcome back guys, Sulfin here. In this video I will be unboxing a SanDisk Extreme Pro SD card, and this is actually the 64GB version. The speeds are supposed to reach up to 95 megabytes per second, which is a big upgrade for me because currently on my T6i I actually have a Transcend SD card, one of these 16GB, and it says 30 megabytes per second, which is 3 times slower than this. So I hope this will be a big improvement, because when I try to transfer things from this SD card to my computer, it takes a long time. So this is going to be a great upgrade. So let me go ahead and show you guys the box. You can see it actually comes in a weird box. I've never seen any SD card come in a cardboard box like this. Usually in a plastic box, which is really hard to open up. So this is going to be really easy to open up. So as you can see, it's a 64GB version, speeds up to 95 megabytes per second. You can see a picture of it here. It's not the actual thing, and just some information about it. So let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so inside we see a plastic thing. Put that aside. And right here we can see the SD card. So there's nothing else in the box except some sort of free download. I don't know if you guys want this code. If you can see this code, you can probably keep it, because I don't really use it, any of this software, if it focuses. Well, anyways, it has a code on here. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but if you guys want this code, just comment and I'll give it to you guys. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the SD card. So it's just like a regular SD card that you would get anywhere, just like this other cheap one, exactly like it. So there wouldn't be any differences in that. But the front looks kind of nice. Okay, so that's how it looks like. So thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.